Hello from Cooper Auto Sales on South Whidbey Island. Today we are viewing a beautiful 1956 Ford Sunliner. This is the automatic with the 312 Thunderbird motor V8. It is an older restoration. Paint is still in great shape. Has the Continental kit. Tires are great. Seems to run and drive very well. The interior's been all redone. Carpets, emblems are in good shape. It's got the original radio. Door panels are nice. There it is, Sunliner right there. Sunliner. You'll be able to see this on our website at www.cooperauto.com. And there you have it. The 1956 Ford Sunliner. Thanks for viewing.